All right. How about Rick? Where is your small teddy? Is that your teddy? Okay. All right. So, guys, are you ready to start with our class today? Oh, you are logging. Hello? Okay, so are you ready to start with our class today, baby Kai and baby Rick? Hello, baby Kai and baby Rick, can you hear me? Okay, so teacher will be sharing the screen and just give me a few moments, okay? All right, so now, can you see my screen, baby Kai and baby Rick?
No.
Oh, not yet. How about that? Can you see it now?
Yes.
All right, okay, so for today, we are going to talk about this one right here. So we will be listening and sing along. So the title of the song is Friends. All right, so
Teacher,
now,
I can see the letter.
what?
Oh.
You can see the what, baby? I cannot hear you well. Turtle.
Letter.
Letter? Wait.
Cái kia còn múc vào anh quyết định đi cái gì anh quyết định cái gì kia là nó như vậy thôi.
Hello, baby. You are logging. And sometimes I cannot hear your voice. Can you try to track your connection, baby?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much because sometimes I cannot see your face or I cannot hear your voices. Okay, all right. So can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so for today we are going to talk about who says this. So teacher will be so what you're going to do since you are using one device, Kai, I want you to answer number 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3. For Rick, I want you to answer 4, 5, and okay? Okay, baby Kai and baby Rick. Hello, babies. Hello. Okay, I want you to answer this one. Can you see it? So we have the elephant and the tortoise. Okay, can you see it, baby Kai and baby Rick? Okay, can you see it, baby? All right, as you can see, we have the elephant and the tortoise. So what you're going to do is you just need to match. Do you still remember the story about Elliot and Franz? Do you still remember this story? All right, so teacher will be playing the story one more time and I want you to listen carefully, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Page 18. Read. Elliot's new friend.
Elliot is a sad and lonely little elephant. He can't find his family. He walks and walks. He sees some tortoises.
Hello, I'm Tootie. Who are you? I'm Elliot. I can't find my family.
I can help. Let's go.
They walk and walk. They see some zebras.
Is that your family?
No, those are zebras. I'm not a zebra. I'm an elephant.
The zebras see Elliot and Tootie. The zebras are scared and they run away. Tootie is Elliot's new friend. They eat together and they play together. Then they walk and walk again.
And walk
They
and
see some
walk
lions.
again.
Is that your family?
No, those are lions. I'm not a lion. I'm an elephant.
The lions see Elliot and Tootie. Elliot and Tootie are scared and they run away. It's night time. They sleep side by side. The next day, they walk and walk again. They see some elephants.
Okay, what happened? What happened, baby? Hello to you. All right, so it's okay. I guess it's because of your connection, because your connection right now is a bit slow or loading. That's why you are lagging. Hello, baby. Can you try to check your connection, please? Hello, baby Kai and baby Rick. Hello?
Can see your screen and your face.
What? All right, I can see and hear you now. So teacher will be playing again this one, okay? Let's continue this one.
Page 18. Read. Elliot's new friend.
Elliot is a sad and lonely little elephant. He can't find his family. He walks and walks. He sees some tortoises.
Hello, I'm Tootie. Who are you?
I'm Elliot. I can't find my family.
I can help. Let's go.
They walk and walk. They see some zebras.
Is that your family?
No, those are zebras. I'm not a zebra. I'm an elephant.
The zebras see Elliot and Tootie. The zebras are scared and they run away. Tootie is Elliot's new friend. They eat together and they play together. Then they walk and walk again. They see some lions.
Is that your family?
No,
All right,
those are
no. Okay, where is
lions.
Baby Rick? Oh,
I'm not a
is that Baby
lion.
Kai? Who's Baby Kai?
I'm
The
an
left one or the right
elephant.
one?
The lions see Elliot and Tootie. Elliot
Okay,
and
which
Tootie are scared and they run away.
okay, who is Baby Kai?
It's
The one
night time.
wearing yellow or the
They
one
sleep
wearing
side
orange?
by side.
Which one of you is Kai?
The next
And
day,
which one
they
of you
walk
is
and
Rick?
walk again. They see some elephants.
Okay.
Is that your family?
Is that your
Yes,
family?
those are elephants. I'm an elephant. Thank you, Tootie.
Tootie.
You're my best friend.
Friend.
Now Elliot has a family and a friend.
Okay. All right. So now, before we continue, which one of you is Kai? Kai is the one wearing orange, and Rick is the one wearing yellow. Oh, white, white. I thought it's yellow, so it's white. Okay, so now, baby Kai and baby Rick, I need you to read the story together, okay? So let's just read the story together instead of one by one. So are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, ready, baby Kai, baby Rick? Okay, what is the title of the story again? Okay, Elliot's new friend. Okay, can you read the first paragraph? Elliot?
Ellen is sad and going little elephant. He can find his family to walk and walk. He sees some tortoise. Hello, I'm Tutu. Who are you? I'm Elliot. I can find my family. I can help. Let's go.
Okay, and the next one?
They see
Also,
some
baby
zebras.
Kai? Okay, read together, babies. They walk.
Some. No. Zebras. Is that your family? No, those are zebras. I am not a zebra. I am an elephant. The zebras see a lot at two times. The zebras are scared. They run away.
Okay, baby Rick, this one. Tuti.
Today, zebras got play together. They walk and walk again. They see some lions.
Okay, baby Kai.
Is that your family? No, those are lions. I am not a lion. I am an elephant.
Okay, very good, baby Rick. The lions. Okay,
A lion are scared. They run away. It's nighttime. They sleep side by side. The next day they walk and walk again. They see some elephants. Is
Okay,
that
babe.
your family?
Okay. Is that your family?
Is that your family? Yes, those are
Elephants.
elephants. Thank you, tortoise. You are my best friend.
Okay, baby Kai and Rick, read this all. Okay, together. Baby Kai and baby Rick.
Is
Now?
that the family? Now, let's have a family and a friend.
All right, very good. So now, baby Kai and baby Rick, what are the animals that you see in the picture? Okay, what are the animals that you see in the pictures, baby? Okay, what else? Okay, so we have an elephant, a tortoise, a lion, and a zebra. Okay, so now baby Kai and baby Rick, let's answer this one. Okay, you are going to match this. So baby Rick, I want you to answer 1, 2, 3. Okay, can you do it first? Okay, answer 1, 2, 3, baby Rick. Hello, baby Rick. Hello, baby.
Yes.
All right, can you read? Can you answer 1, 2, 3? Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
Ai để bố cho đây.
Okay, baby Rick, please answer the 1, 2, and 3, baby. Hello? Okay, all right. Next, how about number 3? Okay, how about number 3? Number 3 is... Okay. All right. Oh, how about number 3, baby? Okay, all right, baby Kai, it's your turn. Okay, baby Kai, I want you to answer 4, 5, and 6.
Bạn này sao? Vào đi.
All right. Oh, what's that? Oh, I can see it. Okay, can you try to answer it correctly? Can you do it again?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay. And next is
Anh nhanh ngồi vào đây đi. Anh nhanh gọi chỗ này tôi ngồi nước mắm của các cụ đây.
okay. How about number 5?
Anh nhanh vào đây. Còn đi sang chạy.
Okay, how about number 5? Oh, why did you erase everything, baby? Did you erase your answer? Why?
Thật quá, đã ngồi rồi đi chỗ khác đây.
Hello, baby Kai and baby Rick. What is your answer on the number 2, baby? I can help. So who is going to help the tortoise? Again, who is going to help? What? The elephant wants to help the tortoise. Okay, how about who is asking? Is that your family? Okay, who asked this one? Is that your family? It is the... Again, who asked this question? Is that your family? Is it the elephant or the tortoise? Again, is it the elephant or the tortoise? Someone asked, who is that? Is that your family? All right, so the elephant asked the tortoise, "Oh, hello, baby Kai. What happened? Are you okay? Are you okay, baby Kai? Do not cry, okay? Are you okay? Can you hear me, baby Kai? Hello, baby Kai. Hello, baby. Can you hear me? Okay, are you okay? Okay, show me your smile. Smile. Smile, baby. Do not cry. Smile. Do not cry. Mr. Bone will be sad. Okay? Give me high five. High five. Give me high five, baby. All right. Very good. Okay. Are you okay, baby? Okay. That's okay. That's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Okay. Number 4. I am not a zebra. So the tortoise was the one who said, I am not a zebra. Next, those are elephants. So this one said that those are elephants. And number 6, you are my best friend. So the tortoise said, you are my best friend. Okay, very good, baby Kai. It's okay. Give me high five again. High five. High five, baby. High five. Okay, very good. Okay, and next, let's talk about. Oh, let's listen and sing along. The title of this is Friends. Okay, so
Page 21. Grammar in use. C. Listen and sing along.
let's listen
Friends.
and sing along.
These are small tortoises, they sleep and play. Those are zebras, they run all day. Big animals, small animals, let's play together. We can all be friends. That's a lonely elephant, he eats from a tree. These are big elephants, this is his family. Big animals, small animals, let's play together. We can all be friends.
All right, so for today, baby Kai, I hope that you still enjoy our class today. So for the rest of the day, enjoy your day. Goodbye for today and see you again tomorrow. Goodbye, baby Kai. Is baby Rick also there? All right, goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow. Hello, baby Teddy. Goodbye, baby Teddy. All right, goodbye. Smile. Okay, smile. All right, goodbye.